Good evening with everyone. Today I'm going to explain summarizing strategies. The strategy that I chose was 5 W's method. This method used the questions who, what, when, where, and why. Each question should answer a specific part of the story or text to summarize. Who answer the story is about the characters that appear in the story. This is not just about stories for little kids or teenagers. This also can be used for a more complex text like B2 or C1 level. What this is when the students think in the most important part of the story. We can say it like this is the main idea of everything, the main topic, the main thing of the story. When and where. When is going to answer two things: the setting and the time. The time, it could be the season, the a specific hour, and a specific part of the day. It's going to answer. Where is going to answer the place or places that can happen in the story or the text that we are summarizing. Why? Why is related to what? The why tell us the most important part of the story. So as it's going to be connected with what, we are going to get extra information that is going to be important for our summary. We can give the students to use these questions in sticky notes or cards when they need to use them. So if we are teaching reading in a specific context, we can give the student the opportunity to use these sticky notes or these cards to start building their summary, because these questions are going to help them to create a useful thing. Here I have an example or that I take from a source that is about spiders. So the question who is going to explain the part of the spiders. In this case, the different species, the scientists and cultures that study or interact with them. What is going to explain the characteristics of the spiders, the habits, the hunting, the methods, the venom, the silk production, and the role in the ecosystem. Where is going to explain where the spider live in every continent except Antarctica, obviously, and can be found in many different environments. When is going to explain, according to the text that I have here, the spiders have existed for thousands of years, and humans have interacted with them through the history. And why is going to explain the importance of the spiders because they help to control the insect population, contribute to ecosystem, and produce silk with remarkable properties that could be used in medicine, engineering, and technology. So this method is going to help our students and us indeed to create good summaries, not thinking too much, not having very complex methods. We can use a very good strategy, a very good method, and easy to understand to create a good summary. Thank you very much for your attention.